friends, here's a dinosaur counting board game that you can play with your family. Here's the directions for the adults to read, but first I'm going to explain it here. So you're going to put your game board to the side for right now. And here's some more directions. You're going to cut out all these cards here, and then these pieces here. These are going to be the pieces that you move. There's a blue one, a green one, a yellow one, a pink one, and a purple one. And these are the ones you're going to use on your board. This is going to be your spinner. And the way to do spinners, you're going to put a paper clip here. You can use a pen or a brad, and you're going to spin it. Or you can use a dice. So when these cards are all cut, you're going to take them all to the game board. And you're going to place them upside down here, like that. And you're going to pick them up one at a time. Your game piece will be here. So let's say you pick up, you have number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take your game piece and move 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you land on purple. Then it's the next person's turn to do that. So they'll pick up a card, see how many numbers, and take their dinosaur from here and count. So let's say they have number 2. They'll go 1, 2, and they will stay here. It'll be the next person's turn. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.